Flip my page again. Okay, and make sure that's centered again. Okay, so my other example here, let's say I have 3m minus n equals 4. And I have m minus 2n is equal to 3. So I'm analyzing here, and you notice that the n's have the same sign and the m's have the same sign. So therefore, we're going to have to multiply by a coefficient of a negative value in order to switch the signs. So we're going to choose, do we want to eliminate the n or do we want to eliminate the m? I'm going to eliminate the n. So I'm going to eliminate n by, let's say that this is A and this is B. Eliminate n. I'm going to multiply A equation by -2. That would change that. -2 times -n is 2n positive, which would be the opposite of this. So that's what I'm going to do first. So -2 times 3m minus n is equal to 4, and that has to be in brackets as well. So I'm going to throw the brackets down a little too early there. So that's, when we multiply it out, that's -6m plus 2n is equal to -8. That becomes our new equation A after I multiply it. Okay, and then I have to add equation B to our result. So equation B is m minus 2n equals 3. So I want to add them so that I can eliminate these. That becomes a 0. So -6m plus m, that's -5m. And that's going to, this is going to become 0. And that's going to equal -8 plus 3, which is -5. Divide by -5, m is equal to -1. So now I want to, after I solve for m, which I already did, I want to solve for n using one of the equations. So solve for n. So I'm going to use 3 times -1. Oh, as you can see that this should be a positive 1, right? Because I'm dividing by -5 there. So this would be a positive 1. Just about made a mistake there. Got to be careful with signs. So here we have 3, I'm using this one, 3 times +1 minus n is equal to 4. Okay, so here we get 3 minus n equals 4. Subtract 3 from both sides. -n is equal to 1. Divide by -1, n is equal to -1. So therefore my solution set is 1, -1, mn. Okay. Now we can check that using our equation B. Make sure we're okay. So we have m, which is 1, minus 2 times -1 equals 3. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 equals 3. So there's 2 examples of solving equations by the method of elimination. Okay, in our next tutorial, I'll do the same type of questions, but I'll be using a different method.